So setting up an account, it's pretty easy. And you just go to TopStep and you sign up over there, and you can choose which account you would like to choose. And they're going to give you three options. First, you're going to have a 50K option, a 100K option, and a 150K option. You just select one of those and you follow the procedures, and you should have your account ready to go. Charting is the best way for you to get your techniques in place, and what I use is TradingView, and you can set up for a free account right there. There we go. You're ready to get started. Let's go.